President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. commended the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD employees for providing great and real public service. Marcos Jr. emphasized the DSWD's vital role in providing help to the Filipino people, especially those who belong to the disadvantaged sectors, in a speech given on the DSWD's 72nd founding anniversary today in Quezon City. The President recognized some of the department's key projects including the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program, the Unconditional Cash Transfer program, and the Social Pension program. Moving on, Malacanang announced that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has appointed lawyer Maysara Dandamun Latif as the Marawi Compensation Board or MCB's chairperson. Secretary of the Presidential Communications Office or PCO Sheloy Garafil issued a statement confirming Dandamun Latif's appointment. Prior to her new position, she was a member of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority or BTA, the interim government in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao or BARM under the Duterte administration. She also served as a BTA legislator and fought for a variety of causes, including those involving the environment, social enterprises, the rights of women, children, and young people. She had also served as the Solicitor General's Office Senior State Solicitor. Meanwhile, Vice President and Department of Education or DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte vowed to push for learning reforms to resolve the systematic challenges faced by the sector during the signing of Matatag Agenda Wall. In lieu of the learning crisis, she declared to allocate funds in building disaster-resilient schools and promised to reform K-12 curriculum as a ground for producing employable graduates and responsible citizens. Additionally, the Vice President also secured strategies to boost learners' literacy and numeracy capacity in advancing the skills of educators to improve teaching methods. In a related story, the Department of Education or DepEd's effort to update the K-12 curriculum has drawn criticism from the Alliance of Concerned Teachers or ACT, who labeled the initiative as being delayed and misplaced. The chairman of the ACT, Vladimir Queta, claimed that the evaluation of the K-12 curriculum by the Department of Education should have been made public in 2018, which is 5 years after the K-12 program was established in 2013 under the Enhanced Basic Education Act. Meanwhile, according to Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte, the K-12 curriculum will be updated in an effort to generate more graduates who are capable, job-ready, active, and responsible. For Senate updates, Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri and Commission on Elections or COMELEC Chairperson George Garcia signed a Memorandum of Understanding or MOU to promote the Register Anywhere Project or RAP, an effort to improve voter registration experience and to carry out a system of voter registration which is inclusive, participatory, and accessible to Filipino voters. In a simple ceremony on January 30 at the Philippine Senate, Senator Zubiri thanked the COMELEC and expressed his support to the agency's RAP program. Also present in the event are Senate Secretary Renato Bantug Jr., Commissioner Ray Bulay, COMELEC Commissioners Ernesto Maceda Jr., Socorro Inting, Senators J.V. Ejercito, Nancy Binay, and Robin Padilla. The Senate approved on its third and final reading a bill to turn the municipality of Carmona in Cavite into a city. JC Ogaire has the full details.
Senator Joseph Victor J.V. Ejercito, chief sponsor of House Bill No. 3968, or the Charter of the City of Carmona in the Senate, and the head of the Upper Chambers Local Government Commission, thanked his colleagues for supporting the legislation after it received 19 yes votes. Once signed into law, the town of Carmona will be the first municipality to be converted into a city under Republic Act No. 11683, which amended the Local Government Code of 1991 and made it easier for towns to apply for cityhood. Meanwhile, Senator Win Gatchalian explains his affirmative vote on a bill seeking the conversion of the municipality of Carmona into a component city of Cavite, despite his dissent to the passage of RA 11683, which served as the basis for its cityhood. For Golden Nation Network, this is JC Ogaire.
On to a lower house update, Quezon City 4th District Representative Marvin Rillo, also Vice Chairperson of the House Committee on Higher and Technical Education, expressed his concern over the highest number of nursing graduates in the country, totaling 18,617, that took the National Council Licensure Examination for registered nurses. Furthermore, Rillo also called for more compensation funding to support Filipino nurses' rights and welfare, as well as to discourage them from leaving the country. Rillo has been pushing for the passage of House Bill number 5276, which seeks to boost the minimum base pay of nurses in public health institutions. Moving on, the Department of Health National Immunization Program provided free pneumonia vaccines to senior citizens to prevent the spread of the disease. Denisa Lopez has the full report.
As pneumonia ranks 7 in the leading cause of death of Filipinos, the national government alongside the medical community are working together to encourage senior citizens to get the free pneumonia vaccine. The inoculation of free pneumonia vaccines tend to help the prevention of disease and save the lives of Filipinos, especially the senior citizens, where the national government and advocates discuss the strategies to successfully manage the vaccine-preventable disease. Department of Health or DOH Dr. Alan Del Nasino highlights that pneumonia is still the common causes of morbidity and mortality in the country, where the Department of Health or DOH addresses the disease in various methods by environmental control and improving access to health cares.
Po na intervention na focus po ng Department of Health is yung increase yung ating cases of vaccination, no? So vaccination using yung ating pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine can protect up to 85% of healthy adults against the invasive pneumococcal diseases.
DOH National Immunization Program covers pneumococcal conjugate vaccines or PCV to indigent Filipinos who are vulnerable to the disease, partner with the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine or RITM.
The DOH aims to expand pneumococcal vaccination, particularly for all senior citizens and for all health workers as well.
According to medical specialist Dr. Arthur Desi Roman, more Filipinos are now having the initiative to get PCV upon walk-ins, making him to stack vaccines compared before, where he usually makes a call if there is a patient needed to order. The officials made it clear that the vaccine is only one dose, and when asked regarding the price range of PCV, Dr. Roman said that the estimated cost of the vaccine would be between 3,000 pesos to 4,500 pesos. Meanwhile, Dr. Nasina said to go directly to available health cares or barangay centers to coordinate with the barangay officials for the free pneumonia vaccine. He added that the health officials involved are trained and will conduct an initial screening in case there is a need to address about their current health issues before getting inoculated. For Golden Nation Network, this is Daniza Lopez.
Up next, a news force. PCG Academy Act set to ensure protection of maritime resources. SWS shows 49% of Filipinos believe in improvement to quality of life this year. AFP Chief of Staff General Centino calls troops to train militaries in developing. Stay tuned for more stories and reports when News Force returns.